Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, it is class 12th and this is business studies. Today we have to start our new chapter, staffing. It is the 6th chapter of your business studies. But before starting our new chapter, let us know some terms, or the two terms relating to the organizing chapter. First is span of control. What is the span of control? Span of control, just when we talked about the organizing after departmentalization, just dividing our organization into different departments, it is needed to define the number of subordinates needed to be managed by a manager. So after departmentalization, every department has a manager, and a manager has to define that how many subordinates are under his supervision, under his control. This is known as span of control. Span of control means the jurisdiction of control, amount of subordinates which are under the control of a particular person, a particular manager. And at the same time, this span of control means who will report to whom. It means who is answerable before whom, who has to submit the report before whom. So who is the subordinate and who is the manager, it must be clear. So this falls under the purview of span of control. So span of control, it means define the number of subordinates under a manager, which are to be managed by a manager, and at the same time to know that who will report to whom, who is answerable before whom. This is known as span of control. इस span of control का मतलब है कि एक मैनेजर के मातहत कितने लोग हैं जिनको उससे मैनेज करना है, और उसके साथ साथ स्पेन ऑफ कंट्रोल में ये भी आता है कि कौन लोग किसके मातहत है, किसको एक इंसान जो है, एक सबऑर्डिनेट जो है, वो किसके सामने जवाबदेह है. दिस इज नोन एज स्पेन ऑफ कंट्रोल. एंड द सेकंड टर्म इज delegation of authority. You students already know that the process of entrusting authority and responsibility to one's subordinate, it is known as delegation of authority. Delegation of authority का मतलब है जब हायर लेवल जो है अपनी कुछ अथॉरिटी, अपने कुछ इख्तियारात, अपने कुछ पावर्स सबऑर्डिनेट्स को दे देता है, और सबऑर्डिनेट जो हैं वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं उस चीज़ के लिए, उस काम के लिए. उसे कहा जाता है डेलीगेशन ऑफ अथॉरिटी. बट दिस सबऑर्डिनेट, he is accountable to one superior. Every subordinate is accountable to one superior. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम अपनी कुछ जिम्मेदारियां अपने मातहत को दे देते हैं, लेकिन उसके साथ में हमें ये भी याद रखना है कि ये जो जिसको हमने अपने कुछ इख्तियार दे दिए हैं, वो इंसान जो है हर वक्त अपने सुपीरियर के सामने जवाबदेह है, उसको अपने कामों का हिसाब उसके सामने दे देना है. These are the two terms, span of control and delegation of authority. Let us now start our new chapter. The chapter is staffing. It is the 6th chapter of your business studies. Staffing. Staffing, as you know, this staffing is man related. It is wholly related to the manpower, to the human beings.